Next is a Sanskrit speech by Varsha P of class 9th.
Namaste. सर्वेभ्यः मम विनीतः प्रणामः. अद्य वयं सर्वे महात्मा गान्धी महोदयस्य जन्मदिनोत्सवः आचर्यन्तः. अतः अस्मिन् अवसरे महात्मजीं प्रति युष्माकं पुरतः किञ्चित् कार्याणि वक्तुम् इच्छामि. महात्मा गान्धी इति प्रसिद्धः मोहनदास करमचंद गान्धी गुजरातस्य पोरबन्दर नामके नगरे जन्म प्राप्तवान्. तस्य उदारान् मानवीयान् गुणान् दृष्ट्वा कविः रवीन्द्रनाथ ठागोर् तं महात्मा इति शब्देन सम्बोधितवान्. ततः पश्चात् सर्वे भारतीयाः तं महात्मा गान्धी इति एव अभिजानन्ति. भारतमातुः श्रेष्ठो पुत्रः महात्मा गान्धी स्वातन्त्र्य आन्दोलने सर्वेषां भारतीयानाम् आधारभूतः मार्गदर्शकः च आसीत्. अत एव गान्धीजयन्ती पर्व राष्ट्रीयपर्वरूपेण आचर्यते. दक्षिण आफ्रिका देशे अपि महात्मा गान्धी उत्तमं कार्यं कृतवान्. अस्य पिता श्री करमचंद गान्धी राजकोट संस्थाने पोरबन्दर संस्थाने च दिवान् इति प्रसिद्धः आसीत्. माता श्रीमती पुतलीभाई साध्वी वृतोपवासार्थी धर्मानुसारिणी प्रेममयी च आसीत्. सः वैदेशिकानां शासनं मूलतः उच्छेतुं भारतमातुः स्वातन्त्र्यतायै दृढां प्रतिज्ञाम् अकरोत्.
Thank you, Varsha. The next item is a fancy dress by Shivadev M of class LKG B. Thank you, Shivadev. Next is an action song by Jwel Prasad of LKG A.
Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji, the father of nation. Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji, the father of nation. He fought for our freedom. If he was a great leader, if he was wonderful teacher, he's a role model. Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji, the father of nation. Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji, the I love you, Bapu.
Next is a dialogue presentation by Sanavya Kakut, Amnika Suresh and Nubira Nampiar.
Sanavya. Hi Nubira. Why are you looking so tired? Where you have gone?
Today I went to school and cleaned the surroundings because today is Gandhi Jayanti.
I also had a wish to go to school and clean the surroundings. But because of some problems, I am not able to go there.
Oh, okay. Come on, let's go to the garden. Okay.
Hi friends,
Hello Amnika.
Hi Amrika, where have you gone?
I was just cleaning the surroundings.
Oh, okay.
I was reading the autobiography of the great Mahatma Gandhi.
Wow, that's impressive.
Friends, did you know? Gandhi was described by the great scientist Albert Einstein by saying that the new generation would not believe that such man has lived in the past.
Yes, you are right.
My religion is based on truth and non-violence. Truth is my God and non-violence means of realizing Him. These are the famous words of Mahatma Gandhi. This is a meaningful thought. He said that truth is his God and he also kept non-violence and fought against British.
He also fought with the methods such as against South Africa's system of discrimination. He led a simple life. He fought against the British by making protests for our country. Mahatma Gandhi is one of the greatest leaders of all time. One of my favorite thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi is silence is the best answer to anger.
Yes, that's right. He fought against the British by following ahimsa, which means respect to all lives and not even killing an ant. In short, we can say that he followed non-violence.
You are absolutely right. I also saw God in him. He is a kind-hearted person. He helped everyone who seeks help from him. Did you know? He received letters from people and gave reply to them. He loved writing letters.
Isn't Nubira? Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. This is one of my favorite thoughts by Mahatma Gandhi.
I also like that thought. It is really inspiring and motivating.
Yes, this thought really motivates me.
Come dears, I will make a tea for all of us.
Okay.
Thank you all. The next is a group song of Jinsha K, Shweta K Nambiar and Krishna team.
ये वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ये वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ये वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ये वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी हर झूम जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, हर झूम जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। मेरे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन।
Thank you all.
Respected Principal Rajan Sir, Honorable Chief Guest Sri Krishna Kumar Kannuth, Vice Principal Srilada Ma'am, dear parents, colleagues and my dear children. It's a great honor for me to express the vote of thanks to all who helped in making this Gandhi Jayanti celebration a very resounding success. So, first of all, I would like to express our sincere thanks to the Chief Guest, Krishna Kumar Kannuth, a versatile genius who inaugurated this Gandhi Jayanti celebration with his thought-provoking and inspiring words. Sir, thank you so much. Now, let me give a big thanks to our principal to his great effort towards observing all the important days. Sir, thank you for your presence here. Further, we are so grateful to our Vice Principal, Srilada Ma'am, who presented the welcome address here. Thank you, ma'am. We are highly indebted to the management, Sri Mahadeva Educational Trust, PTA and all others for their great support towards conducting all the activities of our institution. I am very happy to express the vote of thanks to all who have made this Gandhi Jayanti celebration a very great success through their dedication. Thank you all.
We are the youth of the country and we have the power to change the world. As being a responsible citizen, my dear friends, let us join our hands together and protect our nation through non-violence and peace by following the path of our great leader, Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.